Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about the password input controls and password input attributes under HTML forms. I am Sunam Chopal speaking. Password input controls. Password something that you want to hide it, you don't want to share with anyone, so it have to be secret. So password input control is also called a single line text input. And I'm sure you all know what single line text input is. If you know what single line text input is, it's gonna be very easy for you to understand what password input control is. Second, it marks the character as soon as a user enters it, or it hides the character as soon as the user enters it. Before going to the attributes, I'll show you an example about password input controls. Here I have my password and type it should be password, and for my username the type is text, it's like simply plain text, and name PWD or password, same thing, and you save it and then you run it. So here I get my password input control dialog box and then username Mr. X, and then when you enter password it'll not be shown. Instead, it'll be encrypted or it'll be masked. So that's it about the password input controls. And now going back to our attributes. Attributes. Number one, we have type, name, value, size, and max length. Let's go one by one. Type. Type indicates the type of input control. As I've already said, the type for the password should be password, and here we have type text also for your first name, and then next we have name, used to give a name to the control which is sent to the server to be recognized and get the values. Name. And now size. Size specifies the length of the text input control in terms of characters. I have an example, and if you don't specify also, the default size is 20, which is enough. But this is what you get, like if the default size is 20, and then you can comment below and say thank you. And then what if you want to write more than that? Yes, you can keep on writing, but you can't see what you are writing. So this is where the size plays a major role. Size, you gotta specify how much size that you want or required. So here I have size 50, and then I can write thank you very much, I really appreciate your concern, and I can write till my specified size. Next we have the value. This can be used to provide an initial value inside the controls, and this value can be empty string if it is not specified as required. But if it is specified as required, you can't leave it as an empty string. And the last one attribute we have is max length. Max length specifies the maximum number of characters that user can give, and input will fail if the text entered is greater than specified max length. So you gotta know the max length before you enter the input. If not, if it exceeds, your input will fail. So that's it about the password input control and the password input attributes. Hope you have liked it. Thank you.